Here I have Samsung Galaxy S10 and let me show you how to enable Google Backup on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the list of all applications, then go to the settings. Here you should scroll down and pick Accounts and Backup. And now pick Backup and Restore. Here you can enable Backup My Data just by tapping on Backup My Data over here, just tap on the switcher, and now you have to create a backup account. So to do it, just tap on backup account here. Wait a few seconds because your device is checking all the information. And now you can log in with your Google account, with your Gmail, or you can create a new account. You can also use your phone number. In my case, it will be my email address. So let's go back here one more time. And now enter email address. It's HardReset.Info 1@gmail.com and then tap on next. Here you should enter the password, so as you can see if you will be typing and then if you will click on the icon, you will be able to see the letters that you just typed. So just give me a sec to enter mine. And as only the password is typed, just tap on next. And now you have to come along with all the terms of service, so just click on them and read all the information and also privacy policy. It's really worth reading because you should be aware what you are agreeing with, and once it's read, just tap on I agree, if you do obviously. Then accept. And now your Google Backup account has been created. This backup includes apps and app data, call history, contacts, device settings and messages. So just tap on OK. And now you can be sure that all the data, all your personal information will be backed by Google. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.